Hello everyone, welcome to the final chapter of our Pong tutorial. This one's going to be less of a tutorial and just a couple of bits and pieces to show what we can do and how can we fix a couple of issues, and after that I'm going to fade into a updated version of the Pong game where I'm just going to change the visuals so you can see exactly what it could be without changing any of the mechanics at all. Just from what we've done in the tutorial. So the main thing that we're going to do before we change any of the visuals is we need to change the bug where it ends up hitting it 4 or 5 times. And the reason why this is happening is if we look at our paddle, there's actually 2 collision boxes. We have the collision box here and we have the collision on the sphere. So nice and easy, what we need to do is I'm going to open up in content drawer the paddle, which I believe the enemy paddle is the child of. So any change we make on the player paddle, it will affect both players. And we're going to open up the Pong ball as well. So we look at the Pong ball, and what you want to change is you want to see the collision on the ball, which is a world dynamic, overlap all dynamic. So go to player paddle, and now we want to capsule collision, the capsule component, because this is the sphere. So this is the round bit which we don't want it to interact with. And if we go down to the collision, we want it to collide with the world, which is the world static, but we want it to ignore everything else. So the important one is world dynamic, but also you've got the camera if you want to change anything like that, and make sure that everything else is ignored. So now if we compile and save, and if we was to play the game, you should see that it never collides twice with the same panel. Okay, so now I'm going to do a quick change of the visuals just to show you a final finished product. I'm going to remove all of the print strings that we have at the top right or the top left, and then I shall show you how we can make a simple Pong game look using Unreal Engine. And we are back. So what we've done is we've just changed some of the models. The paddles are now logs. We've added fence instead of a wall, added some trees. But other than that, I haven't made any changes to the gameplay. I've had to make some tweaks here and there because everything's moved slightly, or just digit changes rather than anything else. So if we just play the game, we can see it still works exactly as it does before. We no longer have all the print strings. I have forgotten one there, but I'll remove that, and if it goes past me, you'll see that it still works exactly the same way as it does before, and the game is working. So if I open up the menu level, you'll see that I've also made a little bit of change here. Statistics and everything still works, but if we start the game, it works exactly as before, just with graphics changes. So now with the bug fix that we done earlier as well, this is now a complete game of Pong. Hope you guys enjoyed the series, because I'm not going to be carrying on with Pong now. If you do have any other questions for this, if you want any help regarding it, then please join my Discord channel. And I will see you again in the next video. Thank you very much, guys. Cheers.